Hey guys, this is Joe at Synergy17, and today I'm going to show you how to make a mock-up of the JDS Polar Camel tumblers. It's pretty quick and easy. So this is using CorelDraw. So first of all, I'm going to use the red as a sample, and I'll bring the chrome one in to use as the marking. So I have two items here. And I'm just going to use a yin yang as a logo. I'll actually put some text in here real fast too. Let's see. So you can see it real fast. Your logo. Okay, I'm going to center it real fast, and then let's see, change the font to something a little thicker, and then bring this up a little. Okay. And then make it smaller, something that fits on here. And then I'm just going to act like this whole thing is a logo. Whoops. I'm going to push that shift page down and put that in the back. Okay. So take these two, I'm going to center that, and let's say I want it to be right here. So all you're really doing, I'm going to combine these so they stay together. All you're really going to do is power clip this metal one into the logo. So you take this guy and you go to Effects, Power Clip, Place Inside, and it puts it in here. Then you're going to take this and put it here. And I'm going to do Shift Page Up to bring it to the front. So that's kind of all you really have to do. If you want to give it a little more realistic look, you could, I think it's Alt F7. Sorry, wrong one. Control F7. Bring up your envelope, and you can take this here, and if you hold this, you can grab the handle here and hold Control, and you can bring these both down, and that'll give you a little bit of curve. You know, you put as much curve on it as you want to make it look more realistic, to follow the shape of your tumbler. But that's all you really have to do, and you can bring in any color tumbler and change your logo and just power clip the chrome one into it, and you're done.